If you've ever wondered what it feels like to step into a living fairy tale, today's video is for you. We're diving deep into Croatia's top 15 most incredible natural wonders, places so breathtaking they feel like Mother Nature showed off just for us. From glowing blue caves hidden in the sea to lakes that cascade like liquid emeralds and islands shaped by ancient gods, Croatia hides some of Europe's greatest secrets. I'll tell you the stories behind each one, legends, ancient formations, and wild adventures, so you feel like you're right there with me. Starting at number 15, the Cetina River Canyon near Omiš. Imagine standing at the edge of a deep, twisting gorge where sheer cliffs rise hundreds of meters above a turquoise river that's been carving its path for thousands of years. This is the Cetina River Canyon, a wild slash through Dalmatia's heart, where the river rushes from its mysterious source called the Eye of the Earth, a crystal-clear spring that looks like a giant blue pupil staring up from the depths. Centuries of water erosion sculpted these dramatic walls, creating hidden pools, waterfalls, and rapids perfect for rafting or canyoning. Locals have told stories of the river's power for generations. It once powered mills, and now powers hearts with pure adventure. If you're chasing thrills mixed with jaw-dropping beauty, this canyon whispers, "Come explore my secrets." At number 14, Cape Kamenjak, Istria's southern tip. Picture a wild, wind-swept peninsula in Istria where the Adriatic crashes against jagged limestone cliffs, hiding tiny pebble coves and the clearest emerald waters you've ever seen. Cape Kamenjak feels like the edge of the world, untamed, raw, and utterly free. But here's the mind-blowing story. Nearly 100 million years ago, dinosaurs roamed here. In the 1970s, scientists discovered hundreds of fossilized footprints on nearby Krka Island and the Cape itself, massive sauropods the size of trucks and sharp-teethed theropods leaving tracks that still look fresh. Protected today as a stunning landscape, it's a living Jurassic Park where you can swim, hike, and literally walk in dinosaur footsteps. Nature's time machine at its coolest. At number 13, Biokovo Nature Park, Makarska Riviera. High above the sparkling Makarska Riviera, Biokovo Mountain rises like a giant guardian, its peaks piercing the clouds at 1,762 meters. Proclaimed a nature park in 1981 for its insane karst geology, endless caves, and biodiversity, this is where the Dinaric Alps meet the sea in one epic embrace. Hike up and you're rewarded with panoramic views stretching to islands floating like jewels on the horizon. Snow lingers in winter while wildflowers explode in spring. Ancient legends whisper of giants sleeping in its caves. Biokovo isn't just a mountain, it's a vertical adventure that makes you feel tiny yet connected to something ancient and powerful. At number 12, Telešíčka Bay, Dugi Otok. Sail into Telešíčka Bay and you'll swear you found paradise's private harbor. This long, sheltered inlet on Dugi Otok, protected since 1980 and a full nature park by 1988, features 25 secret beaches, dramatic cliffs plunging 161 meters above the sea and 90 below, and a mysterious salt lake called Mir with healing properties. The cliffs, called Stene, create a fortress of stone, while the bay's calm waters have sheltered sailors for centuries. Dolphins play here, and ancient ruins hint at prehistoric visitors. It's raw beauty mixed with tranquility, the perfect escape where nature shows off its contrasts, wild cliffs versus peaceful waters. At number 11, Red Lake, near Imotski. Stare into the abyss at Red Lake near Imotski, and you'll feel like you're peering into the Earth's hidden heart. This massive sinkhole, one of the deepest karst lakes in the world, plunging over 500 meters total, gets its fiery name from the blood-red rocks glowing in the sun. Formed when an enormous underground cave collapsed thousands of years ago, the lake's water level mysteriously rises and falls with underground rivers. Cliffs tower 241 meters above the surface. Locals have marveled at its mystery for generations, a silent giant in the Dinaric karst that proves nature can create drama deeper than we can imagine.
Number 10. Blue Cave, Bishevo Island. Slip through a tiny sea entrance on Bishevo Island, and suddenly everything turns electric blue, like swimming inside a sapphire dream. The blue cave, Modra Spilia, glows because sunlight sneaks through an underwater opening, bounces off the white sandy floor, and floods the chamber in pure azure light. Fishermen knew about it for centuries, but explorer Baron Eugen Ransonnet discovered it for the world in 1884 and even blasted a bigger entrance so boats could glide in. Formed by relentless sea erosion over millennia, it's only visitable midday on sunny days, and when you float inside, silver fish shimmer like magic, pure enchantment straight from the sea gods. Number 9. Zlatni Rat, Golden Horn Beach, Brač Island. Watch the Adriatic play with a beach that refuses to stay still. Zlatni Rat on Brač, the famous Golden Horn, is a pebble spit that shifts shape with every wind and current, looking like a golden finger pointing into turquoise paradise. Geologists say erosion from nearby Vidovo Gora Hill and swirling sea deposits built this wonder over time. Once called the Long Cape, it earned golden for its rich fish harvests or that sun-kissed color. Protected as a landscape gem, it's Croatia's most photographed beach for a reason, nature's ever-changing masterpiece where you can sunbathe on a beach that literally moves. Number 8. Brioni National Park, Istria. Step onto the Brioni Islands, 14 emerald jewels off Pula, where history and wild beauty collide. Once a Roman playground, and later Yugoslav leader Tito's private Camp David, complete with an elephant park and zebras, these islands were proclaimed a national park for their Mediterranean plants, dinosaur fossils, and pure serenity. Researcher Robert Koch even wiped out malaria here at the turn of the 20th century. No permanent residents, just organized tours, golf courses from Tito's era, and beaches that feel exclusive. It's where ancient ruins meet modern legends, a gentle giant of Croatian nature. Risnjak National Park, Gorski Kotar. Deep in Croatia's green heart, Krka National Park feels like stepping into an untouched alpine fairy tale. Towering mountains, dense forests, and crystal streams hide bears, lynx, wolves, and eagles. Just 15 miles from Rijeka, this rugged wonder, part of the Dinaric Alps, invites hikers and wildlife lovers to disappear into pure wilderness. Established to protect its rich flora and fauna, it's where you can hear the call of the wild echoing through valleys. Snow blankets it in winter, flowers carpet it in summer. Krka whispers ancient mountain secrets, a place where nature still rules completely. Northern Velebit National Park, Dalmatia. Climb into Croatia's wildest heights at Northern Velebit, the newest national park, 1999, but one of its most dramatic. Rugged peaks, deep canyons, and the famous Velebit Botanical Garden, a living monument, create a playground for serious hikers and photographers. Diverse plants, animals, and minerals thrive in this harsh beauty, open May to November when snow melts. Part of the Via Donatica Trail, it's where beech forests and alpine meadows meet the sky. Nature here feels raw and eternal, a challenge that rewards with views that steal your breath forever. Number 4. Paklenica National Park, Dalmatia. Feel the adrenaline in Paklenica's twin canyons, Velika and Mala, where limestone walls soar up to 700 meters high and over 360 climbing routes challenge the brave. Established as a biosphere reserve, this park hides the mysterious Manita Pech Cave and alpine forests alive with eagles. Hikers and climbers have explored its trails for decades, but the raw power of the mountains has stood for millennia. It's adventure carved in stone, where you can test your limits surrounded by nature's most dramatic stage. Mljet National Park, greenest island. Legend says the nymph Calypso held Odysseus captive for 7 years on Mljet, and once you see its 2 shimmering saltwater lakes connected by a tiny canal, you'll understand why he never wanted to leave. This park covers a third of Croatia's greenest island, with dense forests, a 12th century Benedictine monastery on a lake islet, and water so clear they glow. Snakes once ruled until mongooses were introduced in 1910. They succeeded a bit too well. Kayak, bike, or hike through this laid-back paradise. It's healing, mythical, and utterly serene. Number 3. Kornati National Park, Dalmatia Archipelago. According to local legend, when God finished creating the world, he had a handful of pebbles left, so he threw them into the sea and created the Kornati Islands. 89 barren, rocky jewels plus reefs form this national park, the largest archipelago in the Mediterranean. These are actually the tops of submerged mountains, uninhabited above water, but exploding with marine life below. It's a sailor's and diver's heaven. Buy a ticket and explore hidden bays, pure, untamed magic, where the sea and sky feel endless. Number 2. Krka National Park, near Šibenik. Listen to the thunder of Krka's waterfalls as the river tumbles over travertine barriers into emerald pools you can actually swim in. Unlike anywhere else, this park protects the Krka River's entire journey, with Skradinski Buk and Roški Slap as star attractions. Established to preserve its incredible biodiversity and cultural heritage, old mills and monasteries, it's been enchanting visitors for centuries. Boat to Visavat Island's ancient monastery. Here, nature and human history dance together in perfect harmony.
And finally, number 1, Plitvice Lakes National Park, the crown jewel. And finally, the one that tops every list for a reason, Plitvice Lakes National Park, Croatia's oldest, largest, and most magical wonder. UNESCO-listed since 1979, this open-air masterpiece features 16 terraced lakes in every shade of turquoise and emerald, connected by 90 roaring waterfalls and wooden boardwalks that float above the water. Over 10,000 years, travertine deposits from the rivers have built these cascading barriers, nature's living sculpture still growing today. Lush forests hide bears, wolves, and lynx. Early morning mist turns it into a fairy tale. Sunset paints it golden. Plitvice doesn't just impress, it changes you. Standing here, you understand why Croatia's heart beats with pure natural wonder. Wow, what a journey through Croatia's soul. Which wonder blew your mind the most? The dinosaur tracks, the glowing cave, or Plitvice's waterfalls? Drop it in the comments and tell me which one you're visiting first. If this video sparked your wanderlust, smash that like button, subscribe for more epic storytelling adventures, and hit the bell so you never miss a trip. Thanks for watching. Now go chase real Croatian magic. Safe travels. See you in the next one. Pozdrav from Croatia.